back to part 4 of this hair thing I got going on. I'm not even sure what to name it, but the name will already be in the description bar by now, but right now I'm just winging it. But welcome back to part 4. If you watched the previous video, you already know that I am on part 4 of this hairstyle, of this hair moisture journey. So I'm into the styling part, and now I'm going to style the hair. If you all don't know, in the last video, if I can find it, where is it? In the last video, I applied this leave-in only to the hair. If you have not checked out that video, stop right now. I'll leave a card up top. Click on it, watch that video, and then come back to this video. Okay? So, previous video I used this to moisturize the hair. Now we're about to get into styling, and I'm going to style the back first. So I'm going to untwist the hair, and I like working in small sections when I'm doing my wash and go. If you guys just take a look really quickly on how defined those curls are, how those curls are popping with just that product in it. Nothing else but that product is in my hair. Anyway, I'm going to walk in small sections. I'm going to start off in the back. I'm going to twist that up out of the way. Let me find a clip. I should have already had that together. Found a clip. Now, I believe that I am going to, if the hair gets dry, I have some aloe vera juice in this bottle. I have some oil that I think I'm going to apply first because I did not apply oil to the hair. So I'm going to apply the oil, okay, as so. Just a little bit, nothing major, because that product alone has did the job. And then I'm going to go in with my handy dandy WETLINE Extreme. Y'all already know how I feel about this gel. I have 2 videos up on my channel about WETLINE Extreme gel. I'll leave a link for them in the description bar down below, or a card up top for both. Anyway, I'm going to use this, and then I'm going to add a little twist to the video. I'll show you guys that step after I finish applying the gel. So I'm going to take a little amount of that gel, apply it to this section, as so. I'm working that onto every strand. Y'all seen me do a wash and go before, but it feels like butter. Like when I added this product to the hair feels like butter, like I'm rubbing butter on my hair. Anyway, that's that. Now I'm going to go in with a cute little product, and that is going to be this right here. This is the Moth. I'm not even going to screw that name up. If you all seen my video where I did the purple hair color, purple hair butter, it's the same brand. And this time I chose silver, gray, whatever you want to call it. I don't know why I just did. So I'm going to be applying a little bit of this to the ends of the hair, not the entire hair, but just the ends. So I'm going to take a little dab of that, and I'm going to apply it to the ends only. Just the ends. Just the ends. Not all the way up the hair, just the ends. And I know y'all wondering like what's going on with those short pieces. If you all do not know, I did have an undercut almost 3 years ago, I think, something like that. But anyway, that's how it's looking. That's how it was looking. That's how it was looking. That's how it was looking. Okay. So we're going to go to another section. You know what? Let me add a little bit more gel at the scalp. I can already feel it getting a little. There we go. That might be a little better. All right. We're going to take another little section. Like I said, if it feels dry, I will add some aloe vera juice to dampen the hair back up. So like right now, it's a little dry, not that much dry, but I'm gonna add a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, add a little bit of that aloe vera juice. Because you do want to make sure your hair is wet when you're doing a wash and go. You really do. You don't want to really do a wash and go on dry hair. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm gonna add a little bit of oil. Okay, just a little bit, nothing much. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of that gel. Just a little bit, not a lot. A little bit goes a long way. This not eco, I'm sorry, with the WETLINE. A little bit goes a long way. Okay. Make sure I rake that in between the strands. And so. And then I'm going to take a little bit of that gray butter on my fingers and I'm going to apply that to the ends only. Just the ends. Okay. Just the ends. In fact, let me separate that a little bit. That's a little too clumped. Okay. All right, y'all get my drift though, right? Y'all get my drift. Y'all get my drift. All right, just like that. Add a little gel at the scalp. Make sure it lays down a little bit, and that's it. I'm gonna finish the rest, and we'll be back, y'all. Y'all see me do a wash and go plenty of times, but just wanted to share with you guys it, because this video is not just gonna be about a wash and go. We'll get into that a little later. All right, y'all. So I am down to the very, very, very last section, and I'll probably be back on tomorrow to share with you guys the finished results of the wash and go. But we're gonna do something else to this hair once it dries, and then I'll tell you guys how I feel about what I did and give you guys my insight and my recommendation. All right, you guys, so stay tuned for mañana. All right, you guys, excuse my attire. I know I'm looking a little chunky. Anyway, this is the final results to this wash and go that I did on yesterday. It is completely dry, 100%. But when I woke up this morning, it was not dry, y'all. It was not dry. The middle of the hair was still wet, so it's a little frizzy back there because I just left it out. But I wanted to come and show you guys how it looks 100% dry. I wanted to show you guys how it looks 100% dry. I got long pieces, short pieces. I've been playing with it. I got so much shrinkage. Look at my hair. But part 4 is going to be me showing you guys how I stretch the hair and how I get so much volume on day 1. So stay tuned to the remainder of this video. This is going to be the last part of whatever this series is that I got going on, but I'm going to show you guys how I stretch it and elongate my curls and get some volume. I mean, my hair is already thick. I got plenty of volume, but you guys, I'm like super excited to share this with you guys. So stay tuned to the remainder of the video. All right, you guys. So I did go ahead and pineapple the hair to stretch it a little bit, but I'm going to take this off, and this is how it's looking. Got some short pieces in the back. Wrap the band. All I did was tie a scrunchie around the hair to bring it up to the top to a pineapple. So I'm going to take that off. Shake, shake, shake. Now my hair is completely dry. It smells so good. It's completely dry. Okay, as you all can probably see, I'm already starting to get some length and some volume. I'm looking in the mirror, sorry y'all. Let me apologize. I'm already starting to get some length and some volume. Take the edges down. But what I'm going to do to get a little bit more volume and definition, for the volume that I want out of this hair. We are going to section the hair off in 2 sections, and then I'm going to split that into, I'm trying not to manipulate the curls. I'm going to split that into, yep, just like that. So I'm going to pin this section out of the way. We're going to do the same thing on this side, trying not to manipulate the curls. Trying to separate where the curls naturally want to separate, pretty much. Okay. I'm going to clip that one out of the way. And I'm going to start with this section back here. So what I am going to do is probably end up clipping this side out of the way too. Let me just clip that out of the way. Uh-oh, my clips is coming loose. I feel it, I feel it, I feel it. So I'm gonna clip that out the way to where we are focusing solely on this section right back here. I'm not gonna show you all the whole head. I think I'm just gonna show you part of it. But anyway, so like I said, I don't want to manipulate the curls. I want to separate it where they normally want to separate at. So I'm going to take another clip that section out of the way. Now, I'm going to be using my blow dryer with this nozzle. This is the 1875 Pro Tourmaline Ceramic. What brand is this? This is made by Kiss. This is how the box looks. Okay. So I am going to put that on to medium warm. I'm going to start off with medium speed warm heat, and I am literally going to take this section. I'm going to hold it at the ends just like this, and I'm going to pull. Okay, pull, and I am going to apply the dryer only in this section right here to stretch the curls. Okay, so warm, medium. Okay, I want this wash and go to last, so I'm not going to manipulate it too much. Okay, so I'm going to grab that again. All right, that's that. As y'all can probably tell, it's actually touching my shoulder now. Anyway, we're gonna move on to this section here. Same thing. I'm going to pull and hold the ends. I do not want to manipulate the ends at all. As you all can tell, that is stretched. Okay, okay. Now what I am going to do, since I already have this parted, I'm going to take this wide tooth comb, kind of like a pick, and I'm going to manipulate the roots just a little bit, kind of give me some volume back there. I mean, my hair is pretty thick, so it's not like I need much, but you know. And now we're going to move on to this section over here. I'm going to separate that where it naturally wants to separate without manipulating the curls, okay? So about right there. Maybe right there. Right there. I'm going to pin what I'm not working with back up. I'm going to grab and pull from ends. Grab my blow dryer. Pretty stretched to me. I just wanted to touch my shoulders, you know what I'm talking about? Gonna go on to the next section. Same thing here. I'm gonna pull. Okay, and all right. That stretch, I'm gonna go in with my comb again, and I'm gonna pick at the roots as so. And now we got some length and some volume in the back of our hair, you guys. Curls at the end are not manipulated, so when this hair lays on top, we're gonna still look like we got our wash and go. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna do the rest off camera. I'll be back to show you guys the finished results. Okay. Okay. All right, y'all. This is it. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Anyway, guys, so this is how I get a little extra volume and length out of my wash and go. I am loving it. So I went ahead and I did what I did to the back to the front, but these top sections I did not stretch as much, so to keep a lot of definition here at the top. I wanted the definition to be here at the beginning at the top, so you guys can see my juicy curls, and I didn't want to manipulate the curls in the front, so I did not stretch as much in the front. But you guys, look at the volume, look at the length. Like, I don't look bald head no more. I don't look like I got a TWA. Like, are y'all feeling it? And then y'all gotta go copy y'all some of this right here. This right here, y'all gotta go get y'all some. This stuff is amazing, amazing, amazing. The shine, the smell, oh my God. Oh. You guys. I'm like, can y'all just, I know y'all can see that. I know y'all can. Just look. Just